Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the CZ P-10C. It comes in this really nice box over here. When you open it, you'll get your gun, obviously. Let's do a safety check on it. Magazine out. 15-round magazine with a red follower. Chamber is clear. Overall, the gun looks really nice. It's got nice front serrations here. Really grippy, really sharp. Same with the rear serrations. It's got ambidextrous slide lock over here. I believe the magazine release is reversible as well. And you got your disassembly tabs right there. It's got decent sights as well. These are glow in the dark. They're not tritium. You'll have to charge them with a light source, but they work pretty well. It has a 4.02 inch barrel, chambered in 9mm. Not pointing it at myself, pointing it at the camera. It's got a 1913 slot pick rail in there for a weapon light. I'm going to get the X300 Ultra on it, the B version. Grip is very nice. It's got some really good texturing on it. It's got texturing for your thumb as well. Now, the grips are interchangeable. It's got the small on it right now, but you can change them out for a medium or a large. Comes with an extra magazine, 15-round as well, red follower. And over here we'll have a dummy round and looks like a polymer piece in there, or a foam piece for your firing pin to strike. Actually, they're polymer, they're pretty hard. Got Allen wrenches there for your rear sight and front sight. Right here we have a cleaning rod, cleaning brush, it comes with a lock as well. And your user manuals over here. So the ammunition I plan on running in it is the Hornady Critical Defense. These are 115 grain. It's got that polymer tip in the hollow point cavity, so when you're shooting through clothing, it doesn't get clogged up and it will expand properly. It's not plus P plus or anything, or plus P, it's just regular standard pressure 9mm. I might actually run these as well. These are from Underwood. These are 124 grain plus P plus. So these 124 grains are going out of that barrel, or at least my Glock 19 barrel, which has the same barrel length, I think 4 inches or 4.02. They're going out of there at like 1,350 feet per second. That's almost about 500 foot-pounds of energy, so that's definitely plenty of energy for self-defense. They don't recoil that much either, so those are really great. Overall, the gun looks really well made. Of course, it's CZ, so can't complain there. Also forgot to mention it has a loaded chamber indicator as well. Yep guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment there too. And thanks for watching.